Let's break down construction aggregate: sand, gravel, crushed stone. Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Construction aggregate, sand, gravel, and crushed stone makes up 60 to 75% of concrete by volume and costs 15 to 35 per ton. Proper gradation, cleanliness, and sizing are critical. Poor quality aggregate reduces strength by 15 to 25% and causes spalling, crazing, and premature failure. Every concrete driveway, patio, sidewalk, and foundation begins with the same foundation material, construction aggregate. Sand, gravel, and crushed stone are not interchangeable commodity items. They are engineered materials that directly determine whether your concrete lasts 20 years or fails in half that time. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post explains what construction aggregate is, how it's graded and tested, how much it costs, and how to ensure your contractor is using the right material for your project. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triangle, Triad, and Lake Norman areas. The company specializes in residential and light commercial concrete work, from driveways and patios to pool decks and foundation slabs. Every concrete project begins with aggregate selection. Sand, gravel, and crushed stone make up 60 to 75% of the final mix by volume. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Aggregate costs typically range from 15 to 35 per ton depending on source and grade, but quality aggregate selection directly impacts concrete strength, durability, and long-term performance across North Carolina's humid climate and seasonal freeze-thaw cycles. Moving on to what is construction aggregate. Construction aggregate is the granular skeleton of concrete. It consists of particles of rock, gravel, sand, and other mineral materials that are mixed with Portland cement and water to form the final hardened material. Aggregate typically comprises 60 to 75% of the concrete mix by volume and 75 to 85% by weight, making it the dominant component in almost every project you'll encounter in North Carolina. Why does aggregate matter so much? Because it does 3 critical things. Provides structural support. Aggregate particles interlock and distribute loads, creating the compressive strength that allows concrete to bear weight. Without properly sized and graded aggregate, even the strongest cement paste will fail under load. Reduces shrinkage. As concrete cures, the cement paste shrinks. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.